today, I'm going to show you the drawing exercises that actually changed my life. To do this, I'm going to find some random reference in the Pinterest, and it actually took me 30 minutes to pick which ones. And then when I finally find it, I will prepare all my materials and I will use my old sketchbook that I haven't used this in 2 years, so maybe I will give it a shot to fill this again as my drawing exercises.
Wake up 2 p.m. I don't know where we are. Looks like a cheap motel with our clothes on the floor. I don't know how we ended up here. And
when it comes in my drawing exercises, I actually draw some small faces, as many as I can. It is because this will improve your shading and especially with your proportions. The 20 minutes warm-up sketch is finally done, and we're going to proceed to the second one, which is the shading. But let's do some sketch first.
6:30 in the morning, you wake me up to have a conversation and inform me about how I make you feel inside.
So once I've done to the sketch, I will now shade using the 3B pencil around the face, and make sure do not smudge it because that's what I like. And now I will use 7B pencil and slowly apply some shadings around the face. And for the outline sketch, just apply even more dark lines to it to have a sharp look once it finishes.
For you, baby, I'm done. I'm just done. Because I'm way too passive aggressive for you, babe. I know that I can't be too faced, but I won't feel like you do, babe. You know I'm sorry, I shouldn't talk about mistakes. It's not like you'll get a retake. I'll never feel like you do, babe. Even if I try to, even if I try to, even if I try to, I'll never feel like you do.
So I just wake up on a rainy day morning and I haven't eaten yet, so let's just cook something. I usually draw at 9 p.m. at night because this was the time that I can finally draw in a quiet surrounding. And then for the third, this is my most favorite of all time, which is making a portrait. And once I've read the reference, I can finally begin with the sketching.
The things I noticed, how she practices piano.
Once I've done to the sketch, I can now start the step 2, which is the light shading. If you want to achieve this, you can just use a 2B pencil or 8B pencil if you want. Just be sure to press it lightly.
The things I noticed.
And sometimes this process is almost taking me 15 minutes to do this method, and yeah, it's pretty much worth it.
Quiet, searching for solutions in the silence.
So now I will use 7B pencil like I used to always keep this pencil sharp enough to have a sharp result. First thing first, to begin with this portrait, I usually do to darken the outlines before some shading. It is because it will be easier for me to add some shadings, but also applying this dark outline to the portrait, it will give you much sharper look to create more depth, and also I like the sketchy feeling compared to so much realist.
I get so lost, feel just like a boomerang, 'cause you change your plans every day.
And also the most important thing, it doesn't matter if you did not shade this one as the same on the reference. It is because applying some style is more important for me.
Make your dreams come true, my lady. If you low, I'll lift you up. Just let me know.
So when it comes to my time of practicing, I also watch some anime online with a totally unsafe website. For in that case, if you didn't know what Surfshark is a VPN service that can protect you while browsing the internet. It can secure your personal information and it can unlock a lot of videos content that is not available in your country. And anywhere you go, Surfshark is also will keep you safe even on the unknown public networks, and it can encrypt your online data and keep you safe without worrying of getting hacked. Also, Surfshark gives you an instant access to 1,000 movies, TV shows, and streaming service worldwide that is not available to you. With just one tap, you can now connect to any IP address anywhere in the world to be able to watch the content available in that country, like Amazon Prime, HBO, Disney Plus, and of course, Netflix, or any other streaming services. Surfshark is also can monitor your personal data, check your potential breaches, and also get a real-time alerts to protect your identity. So yeah, something interested in, just go to Surfshark VPN and enter the promo code of JoshArt for 83% off and extra 3 months for free. So now, back to the video.
I can see the way you're sitting quietly.
I've been using the Pinterest in years and it's been very helpful for me in a lot of ways of my practicing. I also see of hundreds of artists' artworks here as my inspirations, and also of course Instagram helps me too by seeing my inspiration artists that I really admire to keep me move forward, and it really inspires me especially to draw and learn from them. Sometimes it's okay to copy their art style and apply to your work as you learn from them to keep growing. I did that also in my days of my practicing, and to be honest, that really helps me even if we did not learn anatomy. The way they simplify the drawings, you all understand someday as you stare that long in their drawings.
I was hoping I could sit with you. She's lighting up the way.
I don't really like the texture of this paper because it's pretty hard to shade and you can get any more dark with it, but as I draw on, it was fine.
Her lips are softly closing in on mine. Is this how it feels to die? Then take me back from where I came, 'cause it doesn't matter now. We're nothing but illusion.
It's not that much of the exercises that I always do in everyday because I also want to try different references to study and also to try some different medium too. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it, guys. I almost done this in 3 hours straight and I'm so happy with the result. So until next time, bye.
And hear the noises fade, and angels begin to sing their serenade. And just as we leave the ground, there's no one but you and I. We're nothing.